Okay. Now look at the next transaction, everyone. Transaction 10. We have to finish this today and start with the next chapter also, so everyone will speed up along with me. And I think by now you all must be clear with the majority of the things. Okay. Okay, 10th one. Withdrew 5,000 from bank. Did you all get the journal entry? Cash account debit to bank account? 5,000. Now, in this entry, what effects?
Cash increases, bank balance decreases.
Yes, we have withdrawn cash from the bank, so in the business, cash will increase. Ready on everyone? And bank balance will decrease. Any confusion in this? Nikhil, now what will be the cash balance?
61,000 plus 500.
Yes, earlier we had 61,000, so now 61,000 plus 5,000. It will become 66,000. Are you okay with this? And Bhavya, what will be the bank balance?
20,000 plus 5,000.
Decreases or increases?
Minus.
Decreases we will minus, so bank balance will become 20,000 minus 5,000, that is 15,000, and other things will remain same. So, Amaya, what other things will remain same in assets? Stock, what amount? 27,000. What else?
Bank balance.
Bank we have already written. Nothing else. Justine will not write now. It has become 0, so we will not write. Okay. Then capital will remain same. 1,08,000. Liabilities are already not there. Now again 66 plus 15, 81 plus 37, 108,000. And that is equal to 1,08,000 plus 0. Yes. The magic. Okay. All are clear with this? It should always be equal. Assets must always be equal to capital plus liabilities. All have understood this? Any confusion so far? Next. Salary of 4,000 paid by check. Who are still writing this? Raise your hand. Complete it fast. No discussions in between. Completed, Manish? Now salary of 4,000 paid by check. Did you all get this entry already in advance? Salary account debit to bank account 4,000. Now, Akshat, salary account debit, what will be the effect? Wrong. Dashni?
Salary is an expense that the capital.
Correct. What is salary? It is an expense. See in the summary. What did I make it write if there is an expense? All of you see in the summary, capital decreases. Who will bear the expense of the business? Owner. Salary is an expense, so capital decreases. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Then, Patel, to bank.
Bank balance decreases.
Yes, we have paid by check, so bank balance will also decrease. Are you okay with this? Now, Rima, how much capital we will write?
1,08,000 plus 4,000. Minus.
Decreases, so you will minus. Capital will become 1,08,000 minus 4,000, 1,04,000. Are you all clear with this? And Bhavya, how much bank balance we will write?
8,000 minus 4,000.
Yes, earlier we had 15,000. It will decrease by 4,000. So Bank balance will also become 15,000 minus 4,000, 11,000. Did all of you understand this? And other things will write same. Viraj, what same things we will write? What else? Who's speaking in between? Only the person whom I'm asked will answer it.
Sir, cash 66,000.
Cash will remain same, 66,000.
Stock
Bank we have already written, so stock will remain same, 27,000. Okay, nothing else is there. So 1177, 1,04,000. Right side also 1,04,000 plus 0. See, does it match or not? All of you are clear with this? Everyone? Then 12th. Commission received in cash 3,000 and 2,500 are outstanding. First of all, we'll have a combined entry. How many of you are not able to get this entry itself? I'll explain this entry first. How much commission we have received in cash? Okay, raise your hand who is still writing the 11th. Complete this first. Where are your spectacles? Should you be able to see? The problem is I cannot increase the fonts also, otherwise it will not accommodate in the board. Anyone else writing it still? Now, how much commission is received in cash? Understand this properly. Cash comes in, debit what comes in? Cash account debit 3,000. How much commission is outstanding? Outstanding means not yet received. Receivable. So commission is still receivable. Debit the receivable. Outstanding commission account debit. How much amount is still receivable? 2,500. Understood that or not? And commission is an income. Credit all incomes and gains. So to commission account 5,500. This will be the entry. Write it down if you could not get it, everyone. Okay, once again, tell me what is the first effect? Cash comes in. Debit what comes in? Cash account debit, then outstanding commission is receivable. Debit the receivable. So outstanding commission account debit, and commission is an income. Credit all incomes and gains to commission account. Any doubt to this? Now, raise your hand. Effects. Cash account debit. Pravati, all the effects you will tell me.
Cash increases.
Cash increases.
Receivable increases.
Receivable increases.
Capital increases.
Yes, income, so capital increases. Very good. So now, all of you are clear with this? Cash is received, so cash increases. And what did we say? What did we say? Outstanding commission is receivable. So receivables also increases. And commission is an income. Income. See in the summary I made it. Income means capital will increase. Expense means capital will decrease. Income means capital will increase. Got it, everyone? Now, Bhakti, what cash we will write?
Cash is 36,000 plus
So cash 3,000. Cash earlier we have 66,000 plus it increases by 3,000, so 69,000. Are you all clear with this? Now receivables will come in assets or in liabilities? Assets. See in the summary I made it payables, liabilities, receivables, assets. So this outstanding commission you'll write in assets. This outstanding commission which is a receivable, you'll write it in assets, 2,500. Okay, in bracket you can mention receivable for your understanding. It is an asset because it is receivable. Okay, and Think what capital we will write? By date?
सर इसकी स्कूटी नहीं थी
Okay, after the class. It is there after the class. Yes.
1,04,000
Silence now. 1,04,000.
plus 5,000.
Correct. Capital increases. So earlier we had capital of 1,04,000. Now it increases by income of 5,500. Incomes will get added in capital. So 1,04,000 plus 5,500. 1,09,500. Okay. Now other items will remain same. Did we write bank balance? So bank balance 11,000 will remain as it is. Did we write cash? Yes. So cash will not write again. Did we write stock? So stock 27,000 will remain as it is. Then capital we have written, liabilities are not there. 69, 71, 82, 1,09,500. 1,09,500 and 0. So does it match or not? All of you are clear with this? So now you'll find the benefit of leaving those 8 lines. Okay, all the lines you'll be able to use now perfectly. Now, 13th. All are able to understand this procedure? Now 13th is rent paid in cash 4,000 and 1,500 are outstanding. Now exactly same way you'll have this entry. First of all, rent is an expense. Debit all expenses and losses, rent account, debit. But the total expense for our business is 5,500. 4,000 plus 1,500, the total expense for our business is 5,500. Out of that, how much we have paid in cash? 4,000. Yes? 4,000. So cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account 4,000. And how much is outstanding? Now out here in rent we still have to pay 1,500 outstanding. So outstanding rent is payable. Credit the payables. So to outstanding rent account 1,500. Did all of you understand this? Once again, what is the first effect? Rent is an expense. Debit all expenses and losses. Rent account, debit. Cash goes out. Credit what goes out to cash account. Outstanding rent is payable. Credit the payables. So to outstanding rent account 1,500. Are you all clear with this portion, everyone? Any doubts? Now, rent account debit 5,500 Vanchita. Effect. Dhruvi? Yes, what is rent? Rent is an expense. So if you see in the summary I made you write that because of expense, capital will decrease. Okay? Then Darshil to cash. No discussions. Silence. Cash is going out, so cash will also decrease. Okay? And Harmeet to outstanding rent.
Liability
Increases. It is still payable. So our payables increases. Did everyone understand this? It is still payable, so payables increases. Now, Akshat, what capital we will write?
Sir, 1,04,000 plus 5,500.
Wrong. Pujari?
1,99,500 minus 500.
What are you doing? Which amount you are taking? Previous amount. Capital is 1,09,500. Where will you add? It is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. So you plus or minus? 1,09,500 minus 5,500. Capital will become 1,09,500 minus 5,500. That is 1,04,000. Are you all clear with this? Akshay, tell me cash. Only 4,000. What is the previous cash? Then what will you do now? Decreasing, so what will you do?
69,000 minus 4,000.
69,000 minus 4,000. Earlier cash is 69. So 69,000 minus, it is decreasing by 4,000. 65,000. Did you understand this? Where should we write payables? Liability. It is increasing, so in liabilities we will write outstanding rent. In payables we will write liabilities outstanding rent 1,500. In bracket you can mention payables. Understood this, everyone? Other items we will write as it is. See, cash we have already written. So outstanding commission 2,500. Bank balance 11,000. Stock 27,000. Capital we have already written. So 65, 67, 78, 1,05,500. 1,04,000 plus 1,500. Does it match or not? So everyone is clear with this? Then goods donated 2,000. Did you all complete this study? Raise your hand who is still writing it. Try 14th on your own. Did you get the journal entry donation to purchase?
Yes.
Try it on your own, then I'll write it on the board. Donation account debit to purchases account, and amount is 2,000. So try it on your own, everyone. Very simple. I expect everyone to get it correct now.
क्या ऐसा बन पूरा लिखेगा कुछ सोसाइटी में कैमरा लगाने साले वही लगवा लेंगे मम्मी बाहर नहीं खड़ी थी लेकिन मम्मी तो बोल मेरी मम्मी बाहर नहीं खड़ी
क्या मेरी मम्मी?
बाहर ही नहीं खड़ी तो बुलाओ ना ऊपर स्कूटी में नहीं ऊपर से हम लोग डायरेक्ट देखे नहीं गए अंदर को रखी होती मेरी गलती पीछे बोलो तुम दोनों साथ में बढ़ती आसे कैपिटल देख रहे हैं और अपनी साथ का बोले सर ले लो सर्वेशार बाहर के एक ही रहते ना लाइन रहते बढ़ती
Completed? Check it up fast now. Who are trying it still? Anyway, I'm doing it. Donation is an expense, so capital will decrease. Purchases means stock will decrease. Because goods goes out, the stock will decrease. Now capital is 1,04,000, so it will become 1,04,000 minus. Please take care of my times. 1,04,000 minus 2,000. So 1,02,000. Actually, the building is very weak. So it may happen that water may directly go on the next floor also. Suddenly they'll buy the rain is coming inside the complex. So 1,04,000 minus 2,000, capital will decrease 1,02,000. Did you understand this? Then silence. Stock earlier we have 27,000. So now it will become 27,000 minus 2,000, 25,000. Okay? Other items as it is, so cash as it is 65,000. Then outstanding commission as it is 4,000. Sorry, 2,500. Then bank balance as it is 11,000. Capital is written outstanding rent as it is 1,500. Who want to get this right? Very good. Now 25, 90, 92, 100 and 300? Yes. 1,02,000 and 1,500. So, does it match or not? Yes. Now, 15, clear in there? Furniture to Preksha Furniture Mart 15,000. Do you all get this entry? Furniture purchase from Preksha Furniture Mart. So furniture account debit 15,000 to Preksha Furniture Mart account 15,000. Who is talking in between? Complete silence now. Furniture account debit. Sanket, what will be the effect? No? Dashti? Furniture increases. It's an asset. Furniture comes in, so furniture increases. Are you all clear with this? And Roshni, to Preksha Furniture Mart. Yes, we have to still pay the money to Preksha, so payable increases. Okay, the amount is still payable to Preksha Furniture Mart, so payable increases. Understood that, everyone? Now, furniture is an asset or capital or liability? So, furniture will come in assets. It's a new item, 15,000. Right now, in the earlier assets, we don't have furniture. Okay, it's a new item, so directly in asset side separately we will write 15,000. Correct, everyone? Same way, this payable is also a new item. So Preksha also is a new item, we'll write on Liability side, Rickshaw Furniture Mart. 15,000. Rest of the items as it is. So, Panchita, what all things will write as it is? Yes, everything. Both are new, so stock 25,000. No, it could escape. Stock 25,000, cash 65,000, outstanding commission 2,500. And bank balance 11,000. Capital 1,02,000 as it is. And outstanding rent 1,500 as it is. Now 15, 40, 105, 107, 118, 500. 1,02,000 plus 16,500. Does the magic work or not?
Yes.
1,18,500 is equal to 1,02,000 plus 16,500. Are you all clear with this? Only 4 more are remaining. Let us finish it fast. Yes, now look at 16th, everyone be attentive. Drawings to cash 6,000, did you all get it?
Yes.
College fees of daughter is personal expense. So owner is the receiver. And to cash account 6,000. Now raise your hand. Yes, sir. Yes, already got a summary. I made you write about drawings also yesterday. All the main points I've already made you write in summary. If you see the summary carefully, anything you'll be able to answer. Okay. Drawings will result in decrease in capital. Because drawings means owner will withdraw the money, so his invested amount will decrease. So drawings means capital will decrease, cash means cash will decrease. Are you all clear with this? Cash goes out, so cash will decrease. Now, Purvi, what will be the amount of drawings? Gupta, what will be the amount of capital? What is the capital earlier? 1,02,000. So now?
1,08,000.
You'll add it. Decreases means you'll add it. 1,02,000 minus 6,000, 96,000. Right on everyone, capital will be 1,02,000. It decreases by 6,000. So 96,000. Gupta, cash. So now cash is 65,000. So now cash will be 65,000 minus 6,000. 59,000. Did all of you understand this? Other items will remain same. Furniture, stock, outstanding commission and bank balance will remain same. So furniture 15,000. Stock 25,000. Outstanding commission 2500. And bank balance 11,000. Capital is already written. Liabilities will remain same. Rickshaw Furniture Mart 15,000 and outstanding rent 1500. Rickshaw Furniture Mart 15,000 and outstanding rent 1500. Who is speaking in between? Now, totals if we do 59, 74, 99, 101, 112, 500, 96,000 plus 16,500, does it come to 1,12,500 or not? All okay with this? Raise your hand who did not understand up till here. Anything? 17. Two entries will be there in 17. First for bank interest. I told you the shortcut in bank interest and bank charges. Then identify income and expense and give the opposite effect. Bank account. First one is bank interest. What is the amount? It's an income. So bank interest we will credit and bank account we will debit. Bank account debit 500 to bank interest account 500. Who all could get this entry correct? Oh. Okay, simple thing is identify the income or expense. Bank interest is an income, so bank interest account we will credit, and opposite effect, that is debit effect, you will give to bank account. Are you okay with this? Now I hope everyone is able to understand it. So let us finish it first. I'll directly explain it. Bank account, the money will be received, so bank balance will increase. We receive the interest, so bank balance will increase. Interest is an income, so capital will increase. Okay, because it's an income, capital will increase. Bank balance will now become 11,000. Earlier we had 11,000, so now 11,000 plus 500, 11,500. Capital was 96,000, it will increase by 500. So 96,000 plus 500, 96,500. Other items will remain same. So from cash to outstanding commission, everything will remain same. Cash 59,000. Furniture 15,000. Stock 25,000. Outstanding commission 2,500. Are you okay with this? Capital we have already done. Liabilities will remain same. Rickshaw Furniture Mart 15,000 and outstanding rent 1,500. $59, $70, $85, $110, $112, $113,000, $96, $500, $16,500. If you add it, do you get 1,13,000 or not? 1,13,000 will be equal to 96,500 plus 16,500. Next, bank charges also. Could you get the journal entry? Bank charges to bank 200. As I said, identify the expense or income here. Bank charges is an expense. So bank charges account debit 200 and to bank account. Is everyone clear with this? Now listen carefully. Bank charges is an expense, so capital will decrease. Because of expense, capital will decrease. And bank balance will also decrease. Because the money will be paid from our bank account, so bank balance will also decrease. Bank will directly take the money from our bank account, so our bank balance will also decrease. Understood that? Now, capital will decrease, so earlier it is 96,500. It will decrease by 200. Now it will become 96,300. Capital 96,500 minus 200, 96,300. Bank balance will decrease. Earlier it was 11,500. So now it will become 11,500 minus 200, 11,300. Other things will remain same. So cash to outstanding commission all will remain same. Cash 59,000. Furniture 15,000. Stock 25,000. Outstanding commission 2,500. Capital we have already written. Liabilities will all remain same. So Priksha Furniture Mart account $15,000 and outstanding rent 1,500. $59, $70, $85, $100, $110, $112, $100, $96, $300, $16, $500. Does it again match or not? 96, 300 plus 16, 500, 1,12,800. Who are the writing listed? Complete it fast. Eighteenth entry also you should have faced difficulty in getting it, so I am discussing it. Who are still writing the 17? Raise your hand. Completed? See, 2,500 received in advance for interest. The effects will be understood. Cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit 1,500 and 25 and pre-received. It is received in advance interest. So pre-received interest is payable. Yesterday I explained you. If I receive the fees of 12th standard in advance from you, for me it is not an income. It is an income but of the next year. It is not this year's income. I have to give you the services in the next year. So for me it is payable. So if you have received this interest in advance, it is your income but not of current year. It is your income of next year. You cannot say interest is an income credit or incomes and gains. But we have received the interest means against that services are payable. So pre-received interest, the services are payable. Credit the payables. So to pre-received interest account. This is the logic behind the journal entry. Once again, first effect, cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit. What will you say here? Pre-received interest is payable. Okay, basically services are payable. Credit the payable, so to pre-received interest account. Now cash comes in, so cash will increase. Here services are payable, so payable will increase. Are you able to understand this? Earlier cash was 59,000. It will increase by 2,500. So 59,000 plus 2,500, 61,500. And this is a new payable. So this new item, pre-received interest, will come in liabilities. Payables will always come in liabilities. Pre-received interest, 2,500. In bracket you can mention why is it a liability, because it is payable. What is payable is service is payable. Understood that? And other things will write as it is. So here bank, furniture, stock, outstanding commission as it is. Bank balance 11,300. Furniture 15,000. Stock 25,000. Outstanding commission 2,500. Capital 96,300. Now 61,72, 8,702, 112, 114, 115, 300, 96,300. Okay, other items of liabilities I forgot to write, they'll also be written. Rickshaw, furniture, mart, 15,000, and outstanding rent 1,500. So 96,300 with outside. Let me finish this now. And 15, 16, 18, 19,000. Does it match or not? 96,300 plus 19,000 is equal to 1,15,300. Month is important. 18th is important. 19th is important. Okay, because it is difficult to understand that pre-received interest is a payable. That's why it's important. Completed, everyone? Same way the next one. Who are writing it still? Completed past. Last two transactions, mark them important, okay? Completed? Now next one, advertisement expense paid in advance 3,000. This also I made you write in the summary yesterday. Prepaid expenses are receivables, because if you paid the money in advance, then against that the services are receivable. What is receivable is services. So repeat, prepaid advertisement is receivable. Debit the receivables. So prepaid advertisement account debit. All of you are clear with this? What is receivable here? Services. And cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Are you all clear with it? Any confusion so far? Now, since it is receivable, receivables will increase. Cash goes out, so cash will decrease. A new receivable will come in assets. Prepaid advertisement 2,000 in bracket, it is a receivable. Earlier we had cash of 61,500. Now it will become 61,500 minus it will decrease by 2,000. So 59,500. Other items will remain same. So bank balance 11,300 as it is. Furniture 15,000 as it is. Stock 25,000 as it is. Outstanding commission 2,500 as it is. Capital 96,300 as it is. And in liabilities pre-received interest 2,500 as it is. Texture Furniture Mart 15,000 as it is. Outstanding rent 1,500 as it is. Now if we do the total, 59, 61, 72, 87, 112, 114, 115, 300, 96, 300, and 15, 16, 18, 19,000. Does it match or not? 96, 300 plus 19,000 is equal to 1,15,000. The chapter is over. Okay? Next chapter will start now.